Hi family, welcome back to Simple Taste by Stephanie. Today we're going to be making chicken salad. Today I have a chunk chicken breast and it is canned. Very simple, similar to a tuna fish, a canned tuna fish, but it's canned chicken. All right, so it's a shortcut. You certainly can make your own fresh chicken breasts and cook it and shred it up. And I'm using 2 cans just for a little more quantity. And I've already drained the liquid that was in it because it's very similar to like a tuna fish. It has some liquids inside, fresh, so I did drain that. I am going to season with just a simple seasoned salt. And I'm just going to sprinkle that directly on the chicken. And I'm just going to use a fork and start shredding the rest of the chicken chunks. Just to get the seasoning down into the chicken. Because when you bite into this, you want to make sure you get all the flavors evenly. And I have some mayonnaise, and you can use whatever type of mayonnaise you choose. And I'm just going to squeeze about 1/4 of that in there. I'm going to do just a little tad more. Another tablespoon or so. All right, that's chicken is good and wet. All right, the next thing that I'm going to add is I like green onions, okay? So I've already cut off the base of the green onion. I first washed them as well. And then I've just basically sliced them in a 1/4 direction, okay? So I am just gonna go ahead and put all of that green onion right in the bowl. And here's the bonus, guys. Dried cranberries, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and just add the cranberries, and that is the bonus of this dish, okay? So I'm just gonna mix that in. Look at those colors, that green and that garnet. And we're just gonna mix that around, guys. Now, my family likes to enjoy this with on sandwiches and crackers, and it's so good. Sometimes you just eat it right out the bowl. If you like more cranberries, feel free to add more. I think what I have is a perfect balance. If you don't like green onion, don't add the green onion. You're welcome to modify this recipe as you like. But this, guys, is really, really, really good. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.